Welcome back. We have a special guest in studio this morning, Kavanaugh Studeman from the Carl Junction Chamber of Commerce, who's here with a plea for our help.
Yes. Help us win.
All you have to do is vote.
It literally is that simple. Way back, probably about 6 months ago, I had nominated Carl Junction, and we sort of fit all of the criteria to be able to enter this contest with the Missouri Humanities Council.
Let's talk about what this contest is.
Yeah, so it is a showcase. It's called their Small Town Showcase. So top 5 communities in the state of Missouri win, a whole bunch of different stuff. So the whole point of it is to really showcase the importance of a small town and what makes them so special, whether it be you visiting because it's a tourist destination, or it's just, that Main Street USA, Main Street America, maybe you're interested in moving to a small town. And so Carl Junction, we qualify, which is the best town in the world. And if we win and we're in the top 5, some really cool things happen. Like they'll bring a film crew in and they'll shoot like a marketing promotions video and sort of showcase our residents and our school and our city and our activities that we have. They will do a spotlight in their magazine. They do a podcast. So there's so many different really cool things that could happen for Carl Junction.
Mm-hmm. And if Carl Junction wins, it's a boost for the entire area as well.
It is. I really feel like this is a region. And, a lot of times you don't know when you're driving through Carl, are we in Joplin? Are we in Carl Junction? Are we in Webb City? So it really is, I think, going to be a boost for this area. And word on the street is we're 4th right now. So we are,
wow.
So we just need more votes just to secure that spot in the top 5. And I'm just super excited for just the honor to be able, because, putting Carl Junction on the map, it's already being able to talk about it and them talk about it. So it's an honor regardless of what happens. So
if people want to vote, how do they go about doing so?
We have a couple different areas. So you can go to our Facebook page and it is a pinned post right on top. We also have a big old button on our website at carljunctioncc.com. You just click the link. And there's so many communities. I believe there's like 41 to 44 communities. You can read about them on their website, and you just click that vote now and submit your vote until the end of the month.
Do you have to be a resident of Carl Junction to vote, or?
You don't. You actually don't even need to be a Missouri resident. So that's what's so cool about the power of social media, because you can share our posts. Mm-hmm. If you've got family from other states, send it to them. Maybe you live in Florida, but you're from Missouri, you can vote for us. Mm-hmm. I'm just really, really excited. And I love Carl Junction. So this is a big deal for us.
Okay. Well, real quickly, tell us a little bit about why people should vote for Carl Junction. Tell us what's so special about the city.
Well, besides it being super awesome, but we have, the most amazing community. I feel like there's a lot of people, this whole area is an amazing community, but for Carl Junction, we may be small, but we are mighty. And, our residents and really support, the small businesses that we have, our school district. We're proud to be Bulldogs and supporting all of our teams and the school and our teachers. Anything they ever need anything, a resident needs something, everyone, you just really see a community come together and step up and really support one another. And that's what's so special, getting the chance to talk about those people, those lifelong residents, the people that, are from out of state that just moved here, why they moved here. And we're special and tucked in our own little corner. Carl Junction, I love it. I live there, I work there, and it's a really, really neat sort of relationship that everyone has for each other in our community.
Okay. All right, one more push for where to go to vote.
Yeah, our Facebook page, our website, there is a link there. Just click it, vote for us until the end of the month, and then hopefully I'll be coming back August 1st, and I'll be able to announce that hopefully we're in the top 5. But send it, share it, do what you can for us.
That's what I'm going to say. After you vote, make sure you share that post as well.
Please, please.
All right, power of social media. Let's make this happen for Carl Junction.
Come on, Carl.
All right, you got till the end of the month. Let's
yes.
do this. All right, thank you so much for coming on this
morning. Thank you.
We'll be right back.